authority systems revolve around deciding who speaks loudest in an image. The philosophy is that contrast is a power structure, not a technical adjustment. Every tonal decision assigns authority, telling the viewer what matters and what submits. The actionable insight is learning to redistribute tonal power so that primary subjects command attention without screaming. When tones are organized hierarchically, the image reads instantly and confidently. This method prevents visual confusion by eliminating competition where it doesn't belong. You stop correcting tones and start governing them. By the end, your images feel intentional, composed, and assertive, as if they know exactly what they want the viewer to see.